Hey guys, it's Tony. I did want to update you guys. We did cross over that 9 cent barrier. I did see us crossing over 9 cents, I think. Did we? Oh man, I thought we did. I thought we actually did cross 9 cents. We didn't cross 9 cents, but we are actually we're at 8 cents right now. We're actually over 8 cents. I'm almost at $40,000 profit. Still not taking any profit. I'm just letting it ride. I told you guys this is either gonna go up or it's gonna go down. I don't really care. But yeah, just updating you guys on my position, updating you guys on price. We actually did. I'm pretty sure I saw that we crossed nine cents. There we go. So we did cross that 9 cent barrier, which is absolutely awesome. And I do think there's a possibility of us going all the way back down to 9 cents and possibly breaking 10 cents within maybe even today, to be honest. But I mean, I don't know. We'll see what the actual momentum is. We'll see how stable the price is. We'll see it. We'll see how what the selling power is like, what the bullish power is like, and we'll kind of go from there. I would have made a video a little bit earlier, but I was actually I was driving around looking for certain things with my wife and stuff. But I just wanted to update you guys. We did cross that 8 cent barrier, and we did break the 9 cents for DogeCoin. So this is super awesome. I'll see you guys later.